Okay, are you ready for the Tula Pink fabrics? I sure am. Caroline from So Can She, and this video is in response to all of you who asked me to show you the fabrics that I bought on Saturday at Quilt Market. Because some of you watched my video from Friday night of Sample Spree. I was so excited and expecting so much, and then the fabrics that I really wanted was all out by the time I got there. Just watch that video if you really want to know what happened, but I was so sad and depressed that I convinced Heather, my friend, to get up super early and get in line super early to get into Quilt Market on Saturday so we could rush over to the Free Spirit pop-up shop, where literally I was running to the Free Spirit pop-up shop, and I wasn't the only one. That's why I wasn't embarrassed. So it's all here in this box, everything that I got on Saturday and a little bit of the stuff that I got on Sunday and Monday. This is my Quilt Market haul. I got some great packages of Gutermann thread. This is their Sew All. And here are some beautiful Robinson Anton metallic threads. And before we get to this Free Spirit fabrics, I also want to show you, I got some really cute bundles of new fabrics from Figo. I got 4 or 5 of these little rolls. This one is my favorite. I think I will open this one for you because this one is called Sangria, and I remember admiring this fabric in the booth. And so I was really excited to find just a little sample of the Sangria. I mean, look, it has blueberries on it. And then this other raspberry print. So I'm really excited to work with these. I'm not sure what I'll be able to make, but I'll figure something out. Oh, here's another one of those. In the Lewis and Irene booth, they had, I saw this adorable fabric with little gnomes on it, and you know I always fall for a gnome. And then this other one with gnomes, like little Santa gnomes. Okay, now let's get into the Free Spirit fabrics. I took pictures of this one at Market next to the Kaffe Fassett quilts because this is the Kaffe Fassett bundle that I bought to make a giveaway bundle. And this one is just, it's 20-piece backorder mystery. You know, he's a color genius, so these are going to make a beautiful quilt. He has a new fabric that's called Kaffe Fassett Collective. So I got the jelly roll in the Collective warm fabrics, and then somewhere in here, oh here, I got the bundle in the Collective cool fabrics. Oh no, this is my mystery bundle. I got this Kaffe Fassett scrap pack because they had on display this beautiful log cabin quilt that was made of all these little strips of Kaffe Fassett fabric going around and around and around, and who can resist that? And okay, are you ready for the Tula Pink fabrics? I sure am. So this is the new bundle of Tula Pink fabric. Look how huge it is, holy cow. This is called Handmade, and it's Tula Pink's new collection, and I know you want me to take off the ribbon and show you what the fabrics look like. So I will at the end, so that anybody who is not as crazy about Tula Pink as we are can just stop the video at that point, and they'll see what else is in the box, and then we'll open this bundle at the end and look at it. I couldn't stop at just a fat quarter bundle. I got these cute little hexagon, and I might do like a tutorial on how to make a little hexagon quilt. Then I also got the charm packs. Oh, here's my Kaffe Fassett Cool Collective. I knew I bought one. This is the Kaffe Fassett Cool Collective bundle. Get your fabric straight, girl. And then there was the Anna Maria Horner. Oh wait. Oh, I still had one more Tula Pink 10-inch stacker. And then there was the Anna Maria Horner fabric. I was so happy to hear that the Free Spirit booth did not have the back orders, but they did have the jelly rolls. Oh, that's the Tula Pink jelly roll. The jelly rolls of the Anna Maria Horner Hindsight fabric, and they had the 10-inch stackers. So I didn't get a whole lot of this. I didn't get any back orders, but it is beautiful, beautiful fabric. And for those of you that watch to the end, I'll open this and I'll show you what these are too. I got this beautiful little mini charm as a gift from Violet Craft. She is so adorable. I just love her. Maybe I'll make another little patchwork pot holder because that's what I make with these sometimes. One thing that I was hoping to get, which I couldn't get, was the new Heather Ross fabrics. Heather Ross is putting out a 20th or 15th anniversary collection, but I was super tickled pink that I found a great deal on a half-yard bundle. It's not even folded properly, but I found a half-yard bundle of Heather Ross's Trixie, which is super adorable with little mice and strawberries and ginghams in these beautiful colors. I really admire the colors that Heather Ross picks. I'm going to have to refold them to go in my cupboard, but all of these. Okay, who wants to see the Tula Pink fabric? So the main print in this collection has the Tula Pink Bernina sewing machine on it. I mean, come on. So, and actually they are selling this sewing machine. I mean, it's not purple and green, it's more like gray and silver. Okay, next there is a fabric that has beautiful tape measures on it. She mixed the tools that we love together with the beautiful motifs and flowers and things that we see in the Tula Pink fabric. So it's Tula and it's tools. Okay. So here is one that has scissors and rotary cutters and pins. And on the topic of pins, by the way, they're coming out with unicorn pins, Tula Pink unicorn pins. And this one is a blender, and it also has scissors and thimbles and spools of thread, flowers and safety pins. I showed you this. They just come in different colors. I don't think I showed you all the prints though. Oh, so there is the ruler print, which is awesome. Like, you just think, oh, okay, this is a geometric print, and then you realize that it looks just like the ruler. And I've shown you almost all of them. So there's the sewing machine print in light turquoise. Oh, here's the last one that I haven't shown you. And Tula said that these are her hands or her mom's hands that she drew. I love it. Thank you, Tula. Okay, and I'm also going to show you the Anna Maria Horner fabrics like I promised. So I got to listen to Anna Maria talk about these fabrics, and this collection called Hindsight is her reminiscing and going back to the last 15 years that she's been designing fabrics. And so she went ahead and she kind of remixed and rescaled and recolored some of her most favorite prints. So you will kind of recognize some motifs that you've seen before in Anna Maria fabrics, but they are made new. So this, the echinacea, I think a lot of you will recognize. Only this time, instead of just like one color flower in the echinacea, there are lots of different colors. Oh, that's such a beautiful fabric. I'm so excited. There's this huge flower print. Huge. It'll be a great backing. Here's the huge color fabric in a different colorway. Oh, here's the echinacea in a dark colorway. You're gonna love this. We were talking about how these fabrics would be great for making Laura Heine quilts. If you haven't seen the Laura Heine collage quilts, you really need to Google it and see it. They're gorgeous. I haven't made one yet, although I own the patterns and I've read the patterns, and I really want to find time to make one. But anyway, we just were talking about how all the beautiful flowers in this collection from Anna Maria would make beautiful quilts by Laura Heine, those patterns. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it hasn't gone too long. These are the fabrics that I got from Quilt Market on Saturday, and I had such a wonderful time. I just want to thank you, my readers, for visiting my blog and watching my videos, and all of that makes it possible for me to call this my job. So I'm getting ready to make some more videos later this week about other exciting stuff that I've been working on. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, and I will see you next time.